Welcome, in front of me is a Nubia music, and today I will show you how you can enable your power saving mode on this device. So to get started, swipe down from the top of the screen, which brings down your toggles, and you want to swipe down once again to extend the list of visible toggles. Now on one of the pages, oh, no, never mind, we don't have pages right here, but we should have power saving mode visible somewhere. If it's not, we're gonna need to add it ourselves. And you can do so by clicking right here on this pencil. Then find the power saving mode somewhere below. For me, it's right over here. So I'm gonna hold it. You can see that the text right above changes to drag here to remove. So we're gonna drag it over the text, drop it. And when you go back, you should have access to it somewhere. And for me, that is right over here now. Once you see it, you can just simply tap on it now. As you can see, it changes the filling of the battery to just this kind of green color to signify that it is running. And there's a couple things happening in the background which aren't disclosed right here, but some of those will be things like, for instance, the Wi-Fi and mobile data being turned off when you're not using the device. Now there's two options: either it's going to reconnect every period of time, or it's not and only going to do it when you start using the device. This is done to preserve battery, but obviously results in you having kind of like a delay in notification delivery. Once you're done with it, you can tap on the toggle once again, and this will obviously turn it off and revert all the changes that were happening. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.